What's going on, guys? Chaseontwowheels here with my buddy Patty Rick for another episode of Superfast Setups. Today we're going to show you guys how to connect Sena's 50s to Sena's 30K via mesh. Now we did this version on Bluetooth, but today we're going to do the mesh version. These videos are meant to cut out all of the fluff because we've got enough of it between us and get you guys out running and running or riding, whatever you want to do.
You're an adult, do what you want.
Yeah, it's your life. These are both mesh units. We recommend to use them in the mesh platform. You can use them in Bluetooth, so if you're trying to talk with somebody with an older unit, you can still use that. But if you got mesh, use mesh. Patty Rick, connect them up. Let's go.
Cool, so quick overview for these guys if y'all have never seen them before. So this is our little 30K. We've got a couple different buttons here I will go over real quick. We've got our center button, we've got our outer jog dial, we've got a little phone button on the back, and we'll flip this antenna up, and our mesh button resides on top. We'll get to that in just a moment. And on our 50S over here, we've got our jog dial that also clicks, so it gets rid of the center button, but it does click just the same. We've got our little phone button on the back. We'll pop our antenna up to reveal our mesh button on the back. Now to power these guys on, we'll press and hold the center and the phone button at the same time. They'll boot up, they'll do their thing, they'll connect to your phones if you've got it all set up already, thanks to another one of our videos. Perfect, here we go. So get these connect to mesh is super, super easy. You're gonna click one button on top, the mesh button. It's gonna kick itself into mesh mode. It's gonna connect itself to the preset channel 1 through 9. In our case, channel 1.
Channel 1.
And then to confirm that it is working,
Tappy tap time.
we got tippity taps.
How fast is that? I love mesh.
It
makes it so much
great.
easier. It's good. Patrick's out. All right, so guys, connecting with mesh is so freaking simple. We highly recommend if you don't have a mesh unit, it might be time to upgrade. This stuff is absolutely magic and witchcraft. Okay, that's it for Superfast Setups. Patrick's out, I'm out. Deuces, fam. How did...
I went that way.
Anyways, guys, that's it for Superfast Setups. That's Patty Rick. I'm Chaseontwowheels. If you guys want links for the stuff we talked about and connected in today's video, there will be links down below. If this video helped you guys out, like at a gas station or something like that, and you're just trying to connect all your stuff up, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you guys like motorcycle content, you probably should subscribe. Okay, we're going to leave out the way we came, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Later. You're that way. Okay, bye.